Welcome to the Wings on Wheels, and today's video is about the new feature that has been added in DJI Spark. The panorama feature was there in the Spark before, but with the latest update now you have three kind of panorama functions in which the sphere is the most loved and unique. The other two are 180 and vertical. In this video, I will show you how you can achieve the panorama photos with full screen recording step-by-step function so that you can execute and take those photos properly. So once you are connected to the Spark, you can open the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone, and before flying, always check the status for any error that is popping. Take off, and I would advise to reach an altitude of 35 to 40 meters for a proper panorama, or till the time you can see the horizon in the middle of your screen. Tap on the photo settings, go to the pano mode and click on the sphere. Then you can just click the capture button and it will start taking 46 photos for a sphere pano. Now remember that sphere pano takes around 2 minutes 7 seconds to complete this function. So charge your Spark to 100% before doing it. Also, one more important thing is that after you finish, click on the gallery button and stitch the pano images once you are done capturing them. Because if the subject or the camera was not still, then the pano will be unstitched and an error of pano image will occur on the screen. There has been many times when I have taken a shot in low battery, and when I stitch the photos later after landing it, the error has been shown. Now we will try for 180 pano. The procedure is same from the menu and it takes 21 photos for 180 pano. Once again, when it finishes, switch the photos just immediately after. I recommend using a Polar Pro ND filter for Spark. I'm myself seeking for them here nearby. It does give really nice finish and effect to the photos. Now in the end, only vertical pano is left, which takes 3 photos and is good for capturing a tall subject like a mountain or a tall building.